Hey guys, welcome to the workshop. This is my Douglas Field S model lighter made by the Tokyo Pipe Company. It's a really good lighter. It's fuel-based. Contrary to Zippos, this one doesn't let its fuel evaporate and doesn't burn your skin when you carry it in the pocket. If you carry Zippos a lot, you know that sometimes they can tend to burn your skin and give you a chemical burn. So this one doesn't do that because it's completely sealed and it's waterproof. But a small problem can arise regularly when using these types of lighters, and this problem is that the abrasive wheel, the strike wheel, tends to load up with gunk and soot and doesn't work as well. I didn't clean this one. I bought it brand new. I didn't clean it for 2 years. And now it tends to not want to light up anymore. And it's completely filled, trust me. So now it works, but it's not as reliable and it necessitates a little bit more force to actuate, which is not ideal. To solve this problem, you need to clean up this small abrasive wheel. This wheel is composed of tiny little grooves that shave off pieces of the flint, and these grooves can load up with gunk and soot and grime and grease, so you need to clean them. The best tool to clean the wheel is a wire brush, some sort of metallic wire brush, ideally. I wouldn't recommend nylon, because nylon is not hard enough to scrape the small particles. A wire brush will do the trick. Maybe steel. I would recommend brass. You can of course use power tools or some sort of gun cleaning brush. I'm going to use a Dremel tool with a brush attachment. Post-filming commentary here. We are going to start at 5000 RPMs, and it happened to be clearly enough. I'm recording after the fact, trying to spare you the noise of grinding. The whole process took maybe 2 minutes. It was very fast. Of course, a power tool helps. And here I'm testing if the wheel grabs on the skin of my thumb. If it grabs, it means it's serviceable. If your wheel and your lighter slides on your skin and doesn't grab it like something like skateboard tape, it means it needs cleaning. And we can see that the lighter works first time every time now. So much more reliable, classier and easier to use. So mission accomplished. And of course, given it's brass, I might as well give it a little polish. Turned out pretty well for 5 minutes work. I'm using 90% alcohol for cleaning. And not too shabby. Let there be fire. As always, train like your life depends on it, because it does, and see you in the next one.